Hello, busy moms. Today, we're diving into how AI is revolutionizing daily life for Millennial and Gen X mothers, making everything from managing schedules to meal planning a breeze. AI tools are designed to alleviate the mental load, freeing up precious time for what truly matters, your family. Let's start with time management and organization, where AI-powered calendar apps and virtual assistants like Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri keep families perfectly synchronized. These smart tools sync across devices, learn your family's routines, and even predict potential conflicts, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Apps like Todoist and Trello use AI to prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and automate repetitive elements of your to-do list, making household management effortless. AI assistants can even manage household chores, assigning tasks and setting reminders, sometimes even gamifying them to engage children and promote responsibility. Next, let's talk about meal planning and grocery shopping, a common challenge for many busy households. AI-powered meal planning apps such as Mealime, Yumly, and Ollie suggest recipes based on your family's preferences, dietary restrictions, and even ingredients you already have. These apps generate weekly meal plans, create grocery lists, and seamlessly integrate with online delivery services, simplifying your entire food preparation process. Some tools even allow you to upload a photo of your fridge to get recipe suggestions, optimizing nutritional intake and tracking macro and micronutrients. Moving on to child development and education, AI is transforming how our children learn and grow. AI-driven educational platforms provide personalized learning experiences, adapting to each child's pace and unique learning style. Apps like Khan Academy and Duolingo use AI to create customized learning pathways, while AI tutors offer homework help and step-by-step solutions. AI can also assist in early language development through interactive experiences and generate customized flashcards and practice quizzes. Parenting assistance and support is another area where AI is making a significant impact. AI apps offer parenting advice, track child development milestones, and suggest age-appropriate activities, providing valuable guidance. Monitoring apps like Bright Canary and Bark help parents stay on top of their children's online behavior, detecting potential threats like cyberbullying. Furthermore, AI-based tools like Woebot offer parents emotional support through AI-driven conversations, helping manage stress and anxiety. Financial management is often a source of stress, but AI is here to help streamline your family's budget. AI-powered budgeting apps like Mint and NAB analyze spending habits, categorize expenses, and provide insights into where your money is going. These apps suggest budgeting tips and help identify areas to save, while price comparison tools like Honey and ShopSavvy find the best deals. Finally, smart home integration brings convenience and efficiency right into your living space. AI-powered smart home devices automate routine tasks like adjusting thermostats, managing lighting, and even ordering groceries. Voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home can manage schedules, set reminders, and control all your smart home devices with simple commands. AI systems can also analyze energy consumption patterns and make real-time adjustments to reduce costs, making your home smarter and more economical. Let's highlight some specific AI tools that are making a real difference for moms. FamilyMind is an AI-powered family assistant that helps manage calendars, meal planning, and chores, while Sense automatically turns school and sports emails into calendar events. Jam simplifies household planning with email automation and shared lists, and Google Assistant with Gemini acts as a voice-controlled home planner. Ohai.ai is an AI home manager for errands with smart shopping lists, and Goldie is a personal assistant for managing daily activities and kid-related emails. Cozy offers a one-stop shop for family organization, and Reclaim.ai intelligently prioritizes tasks to find optimal times for appointments. ChatGPT can assist with brainstorming and writing, while Clio tracks family expenses and offers personalized financial advice. Finally, Ollie is an AI-powered assistant that plans meals and generates grocery lists based on your family's preferences. By embracing these incredible AI tools, Millennial and Gen X moms can truly streamline their lives, reduce stress, and focus on creating more cherished moments with their families. Empower yourself with AI and discover a new level of efficiency and joy in your daily routine. Thank you for watching.